Yeah. Tangahuna. We out this bitch. I can feel it, I'm feeling like I'm the villain who's killing this rap game and dealing with these lames that claim they insane. They all rap the same, no one's in my lane when it comes to it, man. I rap facts, in fact, I'm sick, I infest these pests that try to test my craft. Witness my wrath as I whip yo bitch ass. I'll kill the beat, show it defeat and kill you last. But for now, let's just keep shit going. I'm showing that I'll keep flowing, I'm shining, I'm even glowing in the dark. Cause my art is just so damn important. It's potent and it's promoting the purpose of never holding back. When I rap, I attack all these whack cats. Fact, I'm the best of the rest, cause they all lack skills and flow. I suggest that y'all practice. Rap real shit, please don't rap like an actress. Tired of hearing about the same bullshit. By them whips and them chicks and how they bustin' them clips. Smoking sip, taking hits, talking about they outfits just a fit for society, something I'm not with. Fuck every single rapper in Baltimore. I'm dissing all of y'all cause y'all know that I want it more. And if you want it more, we can have ourselves a war. And if you rap bullshit, then why the fuck is you rapping for? I got a purpose, hoping that all y'all heard this. I'm never hopeless, I got too much of a motive. I just got to do it like Otis. I'll take shots at all of y'all cause y'all know I'm the coldest MC that y'all see, like the Dre and Snoop D-O-double-G. I thank y'all inspire me to rap my ass off on this motherfucking beat. Now let me go with the flow cause you know I solo my foes, especially yo in control. I raise the bar out of this world cause you know I got UFOs. Y'all bro so weak, y'all should lay low. I'm no ragga but y'all should know king of rap is me up below. Code this bars like I'm Eskimo competition. I want some more and then many out there that show that they do it without the dough. They just do it all for the hoes and the clothes and the goals. I suppose that's the goal of the role, is to roll with no soul. Like damn it, I won't change for nobody. It's Illuminati, search the truth cause it's my hobby. Spitting off the top, catch my spit if you are in the lobby. Cause I heard you still in my flow, congrats to those around me. And I say it proudly cause you know you sounded sloppy. All of y'all just had a copy, it's okay just call me Poppy. Don't think that I'm getting cocky, I'm just confident enough to know no one can stop me. Yeah, I am the best rapper alive, the best rapper that lives, the best who hasn't died, the best out of the rest of these pests. I do not lie, I'll confess these rappers sound like a mess except for I.